All right, let's talk academic research. If you're writing a paper or, a whole thesis, you know the struggle is absolutely real. So in this explainer, we're going to look at 5 incredible AI tools that are total game changers right now. We're talking about working faster, smarter, and maybe even having a little more fun. Let's dive in. Does this scene feel a little too familiar? You've got that mountain of papers to get through, the deadline is just looming. And of course, there's that dreaded blinking cursor on a totally blank page. Yeah, the pressure can be seriously overwhelming. Look, you are so not alone in this. I mean, who hasn't fallen down those endless reading rabbit holes or felt that physical pain of staring at a blank page? But what if AI could actually help solve these exact problems? Just imagine finding a truly novel topic or reviewing your literature like 10 times faster. Well, that's exactly what the tools we're about to cover are built for. Okay, so let's do this. We're going to count down the top 5 AI research tools that I am convinced will completely change the way you work. We're starting at number 5, and we're going to build our way up to what I think is the absolute best tool out there today. You're going to want to stick around for number 1. All right, kicking off our list at number 5. This first tool is designed to tackle one of the biggest, most frustrating hurdles right at the start of any project, just making sense of all the literature that's already out there. So say hello to Research Rabbit. Think of it like this. Instead of drowning in a sea of PDFs, this tool creates these incredible visual maps of the literature. It literally shows you how different studies, different authors, all connect to each other. And this visual approach, it's just so powerful. You can actually see timelines of studies from the oldest to the newest. You can discover key authors you might have totally missed otherwise. And you can spot these hidden connections that, honestly, would be almost impossible to find just by reading. Oh, and it integrates directly with Zotero with a single click. And you know the best part? It's completely 100% free to use. Okay, but here's the catch, and it's an important one. Research Rabbit is an absolute genius at mapping out the research landscape. It's fantastic for that. But it doesn't actually help you write the paper. And for that, well, we need to move on to our next couple of tools. All right, coming in at number 4, this tool is designed to do one thing. Absolutely destroy writer's block and just get those words flowing onto the page. This is Paperpal. And what's so cool about it is that it's an AI writing assistant that lives right inside Microsoft Word. It's a plugin, so all of its powerful drafting and editing tools are exactly where you're already working. No switching between apps. Seriously, you should think of this thing as your 24/7 brainstorming partner. It can generate outlines and different structures for your paper in just seconds. It helps you brainstorm, it proofreads your writing, and it even has a free plagiarism checker built right in. I mean, think about it. This could save you an absolute fortune on professional editors or expensive writing courses. Now, what's really interesting is how our number 3 tool builds on this. Paperpal is fantastic, but this next one takes things a step further, especially when it comes to creating a truly rock-solid outline for your paper. So, earning our bronze medal is Jenny. Now, while Paperpal lives inside Word, Jenny is a standalone app, and it is an absolute powerhouse. Its superpower? Creating unbelievably detailed outlines. And I'm not just talking about a few headings. Jenny gives you super deep outlines with detailed bullet points and even suggested word counts for every single section. But its absolute killer feature is that Chat with PDFs function. You can upload your source documents and literally have a conversation with them, asking specific questions to build out your arguments. It's amazing. Okay, so how do you choose between these two? It's actually pretty simple. If you live and breathe Microsoft Word and you just want that seamless, built-in experience, Paperpal is for you. But if you want the most detailed, structured outlines you can possibly get, and you love that idea of chatting with your PDFs, then Jenny is the clear winner. So let's be real. Writing is just one piece of the whole research puzzle, isn't it? Our silver medalist is way more ambitious. It's not just a writing tool, it aims to handle the entire research process, literally from A to Z. And that brings us to Avidnote, our number 2 pick. Honestly, the scope of this tool is just mind-boggling. It's designed to be your partner for the entire research project, from that very first spark of an idea all the way to submitting to a journal. I mean, just look at some of this stuff. It can help you come up with interview questions or build entire surveys. It helps with analyzing both qualitative and quantitative data. It can even help you nail down your methodology and suggest which journals to submit to. It is an incredibly powerful, all-in-one platform. So you might be wondering, why isn't this number one? Well, for all of its incredible power, the user interface can be, well, a little clunky. It's not always easy to find all those amazing features, and that's really the only thing holding it back from that gold medal spot. And that brings us to our number one, our gold medal winner. This tool takes all the all-in-one power of something like Avidnote, but it wraps it all up in a package that is fast, clean, and just beautifully simple to use. The best AI research tool you can use today is SciSpace. I like to call it the ultimate research co-pilot. It seamlessly combines a world-class literature reviewer with a top-tier AI writer, all in one incredibly fast and user-friendly platform. And this workflow is what makes SciSpace the undisputed champion. Think about it for a second. Other tools like Jenny let you chat with one PDF at a time. That's still a pretty linear process. SciSpace lets you upload your entire library of papers at once. Ask a really complex question like, hey, what are the main debates on this topic? And it gives you back a single synthesized answer, pulled from all of your sources, complete with citations. This isn't just reading anymore. It's having a dynamic conversation with your entire field of research. It's incredible. And as if that wasn't enough, the bonus features are just wow. It has a built-in AI detector to check your work. It actively helps you find novel research gaps and suggests new topics to explore. And, get this, it can automatically generate short promotional videos for your published papers to help you get more citations. I mean, come on, no other tool is doing that. So let's wrap this up and put it all together. The best way to think about this is as your new AI research toolkit. You've got Research Rabbit for visually mapping out the literature. You can pick Paperpal or Jenny as your dedicated AI writing partner. You have Avidnote for those super comprehensive A to Z features. And then you have SciSpace, which really acts as the seamless, all-in-one command center for your entire project. You know, the big takeaway here is that these kinds of tools, they aren't some far-off future thing anymore. They're here, right now. They can take care of so much of the tedious work, which frees you up to focus on what really matters, the big, important ideas. So I guess the only question left is, with an AI co-pilot like this by your side, what will you discover next?